All right, so we have created an ERD for our Netflix database. What we're going to do now is create a database schema based on this ERD. So in order to do that, you want to go to the top panel and find the option database forward engineer. Make sure you're using the connection for this class. You don't have to change anything else on this page. I recommend that you check these two options. And if this option is not checked, make sure you check it. And then we continue. Yes, you want to export all your tables, but we don't care about views or anything right now. For your final project submission, you will have to export views as well, but we don't have any views right now. So we're just exporting tables, continue. And what we're seeing right now is a script that will actually create your database schema. Remember when you were downloading databases like the AP, AMOX, or iSchool, which you could just download and run, and you would have all your databases on the left-hand side panel. Well, this is the same kind of script. It's automatically generated by Workbench. It knows what you named your database. It knows all the tables. It knows all the columns, data types, just based on the ERD. And hopefully there's no errors, and we can just create this database successfully. Looks like we did. So I'm going to close. Go back to your course connection. If you don't have it, you can just go back to the home page and click INC 327. And if you refresh, your new database should show up here next to your other databases. So if you expand it and expand tables, you should see all your tables. Right now it's going to be empty. You don't have any data in your tables right now because we haven't done the import yet, but just check every table and see if all the columns are shown correctly, all the tables are shown correctly. Yeah, looks like we're good. I'm gonna close all these tabs. So make sure your database is named something meaningful. If I see your database and it's called MyDB or just DB or something, right away that'll give me a bad impression. Maybe you have the best database in the world, but if it's called MyDB, I'll be very skeptical. And that's pretty much it. What we did was start with our ERD, go to database, forward engineer, go through the process, go to your databases, refresh, and see your database show up. Now, in the next part, I'm going to show you how to import all the data from your tables, from your Excel file into your database. So they will show up here. Watch the next part.